Well, as Southern New England continues to fight back against this virus, some high school students in West Warwick have come up with a new way to help healthcare workers on the front lines in desperate need of supplies.
Junior at West Warwick High School, Seth Jagir is adjusting to distance learning. His class taking on a new meaning, fighting back against the coronavirus pandemic.
Rubber band from one side, wrap it around the other, hook it on, and it creates a face shield. These face shields are going to many different emergency workers in the Rhode Island area.
Michael Shunney is Jagir's industrial technology teacher. He said it started out as an assignment, but quickly turned into a life lesson.
My first distance learning assignment was actually about a gentleman named Joseph Prusa from the Czech Republic. He's known for making 3D printers. They were having the same COVID-19 problem, and he decided to get involved and do something. In 3 days, went from a concept to having an approved model by the Department of Health over there. So the students had to answer a variety of questions: how much it cost, what type of materials did they use, and then at the end the question was, do you think you have enough skill to make your own face shield? So it just got me thinking, and that sparked it. I reached out to my department head. They reached out to the superintendent in the schools. We made arrangements. We took all the equipment that we could out of the school. On the way home, we decided to drop some off at one of the students' houses.
This right here is a Lulzbot TAS 6. It is a large 3D printer. These are just a fraction of the prints that some students from West Warwick High School have done.
Mr. Shunney texted me, "Oh, are you interested in taking a 3D printer if it's okay with your parents?" And I was like, yeah, I want to do that. I thought it was really cool. Like, if I can help the community in even the smallest way through this, like, I wanted to do it.
Really just knowing that I'm helping out the community. I know when I delivered to the fire station by West Warwick Town Hall, they were so appreciative. They tried them on, they said that they fit perfect and that they loved them.
We have other workers in the West Warwick Public School system who are handing out lunches on a daily basis. So that was our first goal. And next thing you know, we had a local hospital who had a need, and we decided to partner up with them.
Oh my gosh, this is incredible.
This is life-saving for our caregivers.
Happy to help.
This is one of our crucial pieces of equipment, and it's an international need right now. It's more valuable than gold.
It then spread to a couple of AFT Visiting Nurses Associations, trying to help other members out.
The masks they made, they're saving lives. They really have made an impact. They're keeping us safe, and in turn, we're keeping our families safe and our children safe. I would love to thank them. I would love to meet them and give them a hug, although that's not allowed right now. They really have turned this disaster into something very positive. It really touched my heart.
It's really everyone pitching in, the district, the department, and the West Warwick Teachers Alliance has been fantastic.
I'm learning a lot from this experience. I'm learning more about 3D printers, STEM and engineering. I think right now it's a really difficult, hard time, but down the line when everything's more normal than it is now, I can tell my family or my kids one day, like, oh, we were in a pandemic and this is what my house was working on. Like, we're all together trying to print mask cards.
This is going to go down in the history books. Everyone who is helping out right now can say that they helped out a little bit to prevent the spread or keep someone safe.
It's a really cool thing being a part of. Being able to tell my kids in the future that during this depression moment where this virus was spreading, that I was doing my part and that I was helping.